Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the dip beam and high beam, which is the same bulb, H4 on a 2010 SEAT Ibiza Mark 4 6J. To change your headlight bulb, or even to remove it to begin with, you'll need to remove this casing on the back of the headlight. So lift this retaining clip, and if you still have the warranty void sticker, remove that. The casing comes off, remove and place somewhere safely. You'll now see your H4 bulb, which acts as your dip beam and your full beam or high beam. Remove the bulb connector or the bulb holder, just wiggle it left and right. Up and down, left and right, up and down. Perfect, it's removed. You'll now see the connections on the bulb, and you need to remove the bulb retaining clip, or not necessarily remove it, just release it. Perfect, got it there. So just pull it down out of the way. Remove your bulb. If it's used, throw it out, as in broken or blown, just discard it carefully. Now let's get our new bulb. So once you have your new bulb and you have your new clean gloves on, remember the orientation of the bulb is the larger of the three pins is actually on the top. Now hold your bulb just for convenience on the connections, place it into the headlight. Once it's slotted into the guides, take your retaining clip, bring it back over the bulb. It's in. Take your plug, place it on the three connections in the correct orientation. Connections on. Take your headlight, my apologies, cover, place it back on. There are two location pins here, or locating pins, that you need to place at the bottom of the headlight. They need to hook in correctly in order for the case to go back on properly. Take your time, you do not want to break them. Clip back on. Warranty sticker if you want, back on. Not that it does anything anymore. And there you have it. That's how you change the headlight bulb, or full beam / dip beam, because it's a H4 on a 2010 SEAT Ibiza Mark 4 6J. Same process applies for the other side. However, there is a battery next to the headlight. There is enough room for your hand to go in next to the battery. However, not enough room for our camera. So, thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and you found it useful. Don't forget to give us a like, a share, a comment, and have a great day.